right, welcome to Anything is Possible. Got my sidekick here as usual. And we are at White's Mill Preserve, which is Ridge Valley Creek, where it's dammed up. Its side access is really hard, especially in the summer. But now it's fall, and it's starting to open up a little bit. The weeds are dying off. We fished this in the pouring rain last night, 45 degrees. Or 2 nights ago. Was it 2 nights ago, Kev? Last night. I can't keep the days straight. 45 degrees freezing, and we went topwater. This guy right here. Here's what we caught. Yeah, baby. Cold water, topwater. Cold water's topwater time. If we can't catch them on the top, we don't want them. You can throw her back. Show you my bait, my cool buzz bait.
Buzz baits always work in the cold.
45 degrees, too damn cold to retie. That's what I'm gonna throw till we leave. All right, let's get out of here. Let's go. Let's go. This is the... Yep. Let's go, baby.
That looks good.
Yeah, it looks good.
Oh yeah.
We're both throwing topwater. I've got a buzzbait, white buzzbait with a silver blade and a green pumpkin, I guess. Green pumpkin jig tail that I found. Kev's got the, what do you got on there, Kev? Oh, the whopper. You got a, he's got a whopper plopper. There's something right there. Did you see that come up?
Yep, I'm gonna cast right.
Yeah, go for that.
Get ready and head up.
All right, we're gonna head to the back of this spot. There's some promising spots in the back. It's where we did good last night. Tight spot here. Just gonna let Kevin cast first. Slow it down. Okay, let me take a cast over here. We have to be careful because there is one angry beaver who's tried to attack. Oh, got him!
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Pickerel?
I don't know. It's a good one.
Bass.
It's a bass.
This is a good landing area.
I'll try to get him over here.
This is a great landing area.
Yeah. Oh, look how silver he is.
Is that a bass?
It's a bass. Look how silver.
Wow.
It's a really silver bass. Look at him.
First cast over there.
Yep, first cast. Okay. Now, I usually don't throw bass, but he's got to... He's got to make it over this brush. I don't want him taking a wrong turn and getting stuck here. Okay. Keep that tip down. You're pulling a wheelie across it, you know? Yeah. You got to slow that way down. There you go. That looks good. Tip down. There you go. See what I mean?
Like tip down and fish on.
Yep. It's just little subtleties that make the difference.
That was a nice one.
That's why it's nice to have, you know, someone tell you how to do it, like an expert fisherman. I don't know, to show you or show the water. Tip down. That's money. Nothing to do but wait for the strike here. It's gonna come. We got stickers out, guys. If you go to our channel, if you're on YouTube, go to our channel, go over to the right tab. It's called About. You'll see a little description of our channel, and then there's an email there. Get me just send me your email or send me your address, and we'll send you out a free sticker. We do have hats. I think we have one left on this order. We just charge at cost because they're not cheap. They're like 20 bucks a pop for us to have made. And if you want a hat and we get a few more people, I'll put another order in and we'll get some hats out.
Oh, here's one.
Okay. Nice and slow. Got some heavy rain the last 3 days. The water is up. So we're going to look for the quieter spots. You got to get it all the way across. They're not going to be in there. Tip down.
Used to cast bass with topwater board. I'll go close to the rock, I'll start going in fast so it looks like it's gonna hop on the rock, but right below the rock I'll always have them. Because they're like, oh, that thing's getting away.
Yeah, they wait till the last second sometimes.
I went right through that little hole.
They were all over the spot 2 nights ago. I'm going to push up further, up down where that tree is. All right, the beaver just over here, bringing his bullshit, jumping around. Keep an eye on him. He gets real aggressive, and he's a big one. Starting to get dark. We don't have too much time. Fish definitely are not active tonight. Had the 3-day storm go through. From Hurricane Ian. What's that? Nope. Talking to the subscribers. Just had Hurricane Ian go through the last few days. And I guess it's now passed. So they were actually super strong bite the last 3 nights. Took a little bit of break, didn't take the camera out. And you know how that goes. That's when you catch them all. So we decided to throw the same lures on we've been doing really good at, or good with, and came back and nothing tonight, except for that little chunker, little healthy chunker. But always nice to get out. We give a shout out to Sunfish King. Been checking out his channel. He's got an awesome channel and he does a lot of work. Oh, there we go. Yeah, right here. Woo! Right. Come to Papa. Oh, you're bigger. I got him. Ah. Come back to me, baby. Oh man, he's borderline not being able to flip. There we go. How about that, Sunfish King? Woo!
Oh, that's another nice one.
Yeah, they're healthy here. Look at that. Look at that belly. All right, you'll go on your way. Woo! Yeah, baby. Yeah, right at my feet. So yeah, I was saying before I got rudely interrupted, a shout out to Sunfish King. He's very supportive of a lot of other YouTubers. He's got a heck of a channel also. So check him out. He's trying to help me get the channel in order. He helps a lot of people get their channels in order. We want to hit 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And really the main goal there is we want to go live. And I think you got to have 1,000 subscribers to go live with YouTube. So please subscribe, get us there. You want to see this red-headed hooker live right there? Yeah. Trust me, you want to see that live. We are in enemy territory. Angry beaver around here. I'm going to come up over your head here. Oh, there's the bubbles. He's there, all right.
Yes. Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh God, I'm scared.
All right, we're losing light here. I think we're gonna close it out. If I catch any more, I'll put some, take some pictures for you with flash so that you can see them. And yeah, what's today? Thursday? Wednesday. Not sure what we got going on this week yet, but we'll keep you. We'll check our Instagram, check our Facebook page. And we'll keep you up to date as up to date as we can be, because I don't know where we're going from day to day. This guy over here is in charge.